today we're at La Luchita, which is a project which Outlook have worked with for a number of years. Originally they helped cultivate the sort of land around here. The local community, which is based all over this hillside, formed to make a women's cooperative for ways to make sort of sustainable income from the area. So originally it was to cultivate the ground, and now it's looking to sort of expand into sort of tourism. So we're helping with some fences over that way, and that's a sort of eco lodge they've built, and we're helping dig what will be a swimming pool eventually. So this is where we can be based for the next 5 days.